African American women are 3 times more likely to develop leiomyomas, aka fibroids, than white women. Let's talk about it, right? So, researchers found 268 genes that are expressed differently in fibroids in black women versus their white counterparts. 177 of these genes are overexpressed, and 91 of these genes were less active. This is key. So, not only are black women are we diagnosed at a much younger age, our fibroids tend to get larger and they grow faster. So, a couple of the overexpressed genes, IGF-1, it promotes cell growth and survival, right? So, it helps fibroid cells grow faster and avoid cell death. TGF-B3, it increases fibrosis, which is scar-like tissue. It makes fibroids more dense, firm, and larger. CYP19A1, it converts hormones into estrogen, right? And creates local estrogen inside fibroids. So think of fibroids making their own growth hormone, similar to adenomyosis, right? And you have the BCL2. It prevents cells from dying, and fibroid cells live longer than they should. Underexpressed genes, TP53, it stops damaged cells and triggers cell death. So when underexpressed or low, there's less control of abnormal growth, right? So think of a body's pedal, like your brake pedal not working. RB1 controls the cell cycle. Less of RB1 means cells divide more freely. And then CDKN1A, this slows down cell division. So when reduced, nothing is slowing down its growth. Now, there are tons of other genes, but my question to you specifically, if you are a black woman and you have fibroids, did you get perms or chemical relaxers as a kid? And if you did, do you remember how often, how frequent, and what was the youngest age you can think of? Researchers are still looking into the correlation of chemical relaxers because they have endocrine disruptors to see if that is why we are more prevalent to fibroids than other women. Let's talk about it.